So I want to show you this awesome Minnie Mouse kids luggage. This thing is so cute. It's pink with the polka dots and Minnie Mouse all over the back on one side and one big picture of her on the front. It has a pull-up handle, so it's easy to lug around. It's high impact plastic and absolutely a beautiful, beautiful look to it. You will never miss this when it goes around the carousel. Your kid will love this. Also carry on. You can see here it has a big handle right here. You can just pop it right up and your child can lug it through the airport, no problems. It's got big wheels on the bottom, so easy to roll. Large compartment inside to pack all your child's clothes, and it's actually just adorable. Just the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Look at that Minnie Mouse picture with the big pink bow on her head. Absolutely adorable, and the polka dots, the white polka dots all over it. Again, it's got an easy zipper to open, plenty of room inside, and also a lot of luggage. Also has a nice handle on it, as you can see there. So I highly recommend this if you're looking to travel with Minnie Mouse. This is it right here.